Inside every Pringles can lies a process few people ever see. Perfectly shaped chips, stacked with machine-like precision, identical in size, color, and crunch. But this level of uniformity doesn't happen by chance. In this documentary, we step inside a modern Pringles factory to uncover how simple raw potatoes are transformed into one of the most engineered snacks in the world. The journey begins far from supermarket shelves. Truckloads of raw potatoes arrive daily at the factory, sourced from carefully selected farms. These potatoes must meet strict agricultural standards, including starch content, moisture levels, and size consistency. Any deviation can affect the final product, so quality control begins before production even starts. Once unloaded, the potatoes enter large-scale washing systems. High-pressure water jets and rotating brushes scrub away soil, stones, and organic debris. This stage is critical, not only for hygiene, but for protecting the machinery further down the production line. Clean potatoes mean fewer defects and safer food processing. After washing, the potatoes move through automated sorting lines. Using cameras, sensors, and optical scanners, the system analyzes each potato in real time. Size irregularities, surface damage, or discoloration are detected instantly. Potatoes that fail inspection are diverted away, while only approved ones continue deeper into the factory. Next, the approved potatoes are mechanically peeled and ground into a fine mash. Unlike traditional potato chips, Pringles are not sliced from whole potatoes. Instead, this processed base allows engineers to control texture, thickness, and shape with extreme precision, one of the secrets behind their uniform appearance. The potato mash is combined with other ingredients and gently heated. The mixture is carefully monitored to achieve a specific dough consistency. Too dry, and it will crack. Too wet, and it won't hold its shape. Sensors continuously adjust temperature and moisture levels to keep the dough within exact tolerances. The dough is then pressed into thin sheets and cut into precise shapes. These shapes are molded into Pringles' famous curved design, a form chosen not just for looks, but for physics. The curve adds strength, ensures even cooking, and allows the chips to stack perfectly inside the can. Once shaped, the chips travel through long industrial ovens. Carefully controlled heat removes moisture while locking in structure and crunch. This is one of the most delicate stages of the process. Even slight temperature changes can affect color, texture, and taste. After cooking, the chips pass through high-speed inspection systems. Cameras scan each chip for cracks, warping, or color inconsistencies. Any chip that doesn't meet the strict visual standards is automatically removed. Perfection isn't optional, it's programmed. Approved chips move into rotating drums where seasoning is applied. Whether it's classic salt or bold flavored varieties, precision dispensers ensure every chip receives an even coating. The goal is total consistency, so every bite tastes exactly the same, anywhere in the world. Now comes one of the most recognizable moments in the process. Machines gently align and stack the chips before sliding them into the iconic cylindrical cans. This design protects the chips during transport and reduces breakage, preserving the product until it reaches the consumer.
What begins as ordinary raw potatoes ends as one of the most precisely engineered snacks in the world. Behind every Pringles can is a carefully synchronized system of agriculture, science, and automation working in perfect harmony. Each stage, from washing and sorting to shaping, cooking, and stacking, is designed to eliminate randomness and replace it with consistency. This process reveals how modern food manufacturing is no longer driven by chance or tradition alone, but by data, sensors, and exact measurements. The iconic curved chip, its uniform color, and its predictable crunch are all the result of controlled variables, tested formulas, and constant quality monitoring. Yet beyond the machines and technology, this production line reflects a larger reality of how food is made for a global market. Millions of consumers across different countries and cultures expect the same taste, texture, and experience every time they open a can. Meeting that expectation requires precision on an industrial scale. So the next time you hear the lid pop open and see those perfectly stacked chips, you're not just looking at a snack, you're seeing the outcome of engineering, efficiency, and modern manufacturing hidden in plain sight. A simple potato, transformed by design.